am Galega26, and for this video is about Openshot Video Editor Tutorial for Beginners. Openshot is free and open source video editor for Linux, Mac, and Windows. So let's get started. So this is the application of Openshot Video Editor. There are three ways to add the project files. First is locate and open the folder. Then select the file and then drag. Next, the second way to add the file, right click then import files. Select the file and then open. Next, the third way to add the file, click this plus and then select your file, open. Now we have the file. Next step is to drag and drop into the timeline. You can drag it one by one and arrange it in sequence. So for example, I will drag the first picture, the second, the third, and the last one. So this is the usual look of the timeline without any transition and effects. Next step is to remove the black bars of an image. So the second image and the third image has a black bars. Okay, these black bars, the left side and the right side. So to remove that, select the picture and then right click, choose layout and then show all distort. Next, the third picture also has the black bars. So select and then go to layout, show all distort. Next, to zoom in your timeline, you can click this plus or you can adjust the scroll bar. So the way you adjust the scroll bar, it will change the time here on the timeline. Next is to apply transitions. There are two ways to apply transition. First is to drag one clip on top of another so that you can create a transition. So this picture, just drag it to the first picture so that you can create a transition. This blue one represents the transition. Then you can adjust your transition. Then I will play to preview. Okay, then next is to the second step to apply transition. Just click this transition. Then you can remove this, or you can choose another transition. So for example, this transition, just drag and then you will adjust it to the timeline. So I will play to preview. Next step is to add the audio files. So just drag your audio files. So if your audio is long enough, you can trim your audio. So to trim your audio, you can move this playhead as a marker. Then click this razor tool and then click here. Then select this audio, then remove. So this is the file now. I will play to preview. Next, to export the file, just click the red button. Then you type the file name and then you can browse your folder where you want to save your file and then click export video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, or click subscribe for more videos.